perfect straight to the point analysis again. The Bitcoin price, as well as Ethereum price, pumped significantly as I already mentioned earlier in past few videos. Well, okay, but what's next for the price, and is this the right time to enter in a long trade or short trade? Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So recently the Bitcoin price pumped to the upside, breaking the yellow Fibonacci zone, and also with a perfect retest, as I told you all. I made an announcement few weeks ago that the price of Bitcoin will go up to its recent high at approximate $28,000 level. So now the main first target is achieved by the Bitcoin. The second target that I am expecting is the blue box above, or the important resistance zone at approximate $29,000 level. Okay, so shifting to the Ethereum's chart. Before showing you important Bitcoin analysis as well, I hope you remember about this falling parallel channel, or a falling wedge forming on Ethereum's daily timeframe. And I told you all that the price will go up to complete its next target to the upside, to the blue trend line and the important zone near it. Well, the price did completed its target to the upside now. Okay, so now try to understand what I will say. There are chances that the price of Ethereum can go up slightly more, to the recent high of the green candle, at approximate $1,770. And if I measure the distance, it is coming at approximate 3% far. Now switching back to the Bideson's chart to show you something important. If I measure the same 3% from the recent price of Bitcoin to the upside, then the upside level is coming the same as I mentioned earlier. That is near the blue resistance zone. Now showing you some very important analysis, so I am on the Bitcoin CME futures chart. And if I zoom in, then look closely how the Bitcoin price created two gaps in the past and went straight up. So right now the Bitcoin futures price is under the red resistance line of Fibonacci, while what I think is that the price will go to the upside within the next few hours, but the closing of the daily candle may be under the red resistance line only, because if that happens, then we can see some sellers' pressure to the downside, pushing the price down to fulfill the gaps it created. And now the most important question, that is this the right time to enter in a long position or not? I would say that right now is not the right time to enter in a long position, because the price already pumped heavily and completed its main first target. The price still can go to the blue resistance zone, as I mentioned few minutes ago. But a fresh entry to the upside is not recommended. The traders who already were long from the bottom can book some of their profits and can trail the rest of the trade. But opening a trade right now to the upside is what I won't recommend. And talking about the short opportunity on the Bitcoin, then I will wait for a good confirmation before going short on Bitcoin. Like I said, if the daily candle of futures closing below the red Fibonacci resistance, and some more confluence before entering in a short position. And remember people, these are not financial advice from me. I am just doing my analysis. Always do your own research before putting your hard-earned money on line. And obviously guys, I will inform you all about the next trade updates and some important informations on my Twitter as well. And guys, if you want, you can follow me on my Twitter to be updated on what's going on in the crypto world and latest price analysis on spot. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or any crypto, you can do that easily on Bybit. It is the best crypto exchange I use for trading, and I'm recommending it to you as well. You can create an account on Bybit for free, and can get up to $30,000 free deposit gift for yourself. So do create an account on Bybit and start your crypto trading journey. And you will also find the link of my Twitter in the description below, so you can easily click the link in description and can follow me directly to my Twitter. So my lovely audience, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do comment below if you are interested in giving any feedback. Next video for you, coming soon.